On top inside Edo today, we bring una ogbonge informate on top the many activities wey dey shele for National Arts Festival Edo 2019 NAFEST. Make una remember say NAFEST Edo 2019 na 1 week event. The one wey been start from 19th October we go waka reach 26th October 2019. Now on top this one, dem take do the stakeholders roundtable. Dat na talk section with ogbonge people wey dey creative industry for the country. As go help them sabi how them go use this industry to take create ogbonge job opportunity for Naija people. Now every year the National Arts Council Commission (NCAC) they do the stakeholders roundtable for NAFEST to fit under better plans and idea as it be say time don't reach for them to start to they do the work and not be say them go just they do many talk. Ogbonge people for creative industry na in dey for the stakeholders roundtable section. And this one shele for Oba Kenzwa Cultural Center with the Benin City, Edo State. As it be say now Oba Kenzwa Cultural Center na in be the festival village for the Edo National Art Festival, Edo NAFEST 2019. Where them give the name Our Royalty, Our Pride. Director General National Council of Arts Commission Otumba Olusegun Runshewe. He salute everybody wey dey there as he tell the youth wey dey gidigba for this cultural center. Say make them open their ear well as it be say na them be the future of the country. He can't explain give them say NCAC they connect with youth them wey dey the country. As he tell them say waiting the guest speakers won't follow them talk. Now waiting go help them turn that well tomorrow for their life. So make them listen well.
Our agency, we are connecting with the youth and younger ones as early as possible. If we don't, then we lose it. So I invite particularly the youth here today to listen to the guest lecturers who will put some 15 on the table for you.
Lizzie Oyenacho. Now you can present 3 young entrepreneurs give the Director General for National Council of Arts Commission. As it be said, these 3 people, they don't do well for themselves and not be by certificate, na in them take and that well. Now for certificate, waiting them sabi.
What we are doing here, sir, is to celebrate some Nigerians that have distinguished themselves, not so much because of the grandiose certificates that they are carrying, but because of their God-given skills and talents that they have taken to a new level. Sir, based on that, I have today 3 people who are making waves on account of their potentials that they have turned into talents. I have before us Mrs. Florence Robinson. She is not the world's greatest chef, but this woman has trained her children by frying akara. Sir, the young man that is coming up next is only 12 years old. But he has been dubbed Nigeria's youngest professional photographer. His name is Ike Sinachi James. Finally, I have saved the big Benin masquerade for the last. This is the son of the son. If you watch Hollywood, before you watch 2 films, you will have watched one directed by him. So, last month, we meet you before we even meet your personality.
These 3 people come follow everybody talk on top how them don't take use waiting them sabi well to fit stand on top their own, and this one I know they call entrepreneurs.
Art is no longer for art's sake. Art is now for existence. All I have sold, all I have done is art, culture, and general entertainment. And I'm standing before you to say, sure, it pays. You as a young person, you can today make up your mind. Why studying? Choose a craft. Choose an art that you want to develop.
My advice to the young one, you know, some people will say, fire, you know why near fire, so that they will not drown. Some people that they use gas to sell akara. My advice for you people, if you have money, you can go and do gas so that the fire will not make you to black. And it's better for you to sell that little thing than to waka, go and look for what you're supposed to do. That is my advice to you.
It's a wonderful background. It's special. So it's actually a needs of entrepreneurial in my life because as an artist now, and I think next 10 years I'll go back and have this stage. So that is the message. You pick up a camera, president. You pick up a camera, you aim, you shoot, you frame up. That's one.
For this talk section, dem still do wetin oyinbo dey call question and answer. People wey dey there begin dey ask questions and people dey answer. One of the pikin wey dey there wey be say na small pikin, she ask question, and on top this one na im come drag the director general eye put for her body as e come knack am 100,000 naira as gift, as e tell am say other ogbonge things dey when dem go now give the small pikin sake of say she get sense well.
This young lady should tell her mother that the grace of God follow that day. It's going to be giving a NAFEST band, full program, and 100,000 naira.
After them finish this talk, many states come begin dey show their culture and different type of dance wey them get. As this one na to celebrate Edo National Art Festival, Edo NAFEST 2019.
Priceless wife wearing the complete charm, that's the dress, and that's the beautiful woman beside him is a typical Babura woman from the southeast of Borno State. And coming on the stage is the handsome young man, the Bakura, and the Zana cap. And she did all of the young lady beside him is this lovely angelic.
And lastly, the god, known as Esho, they must be going for an important. Behold the royal buba he is wearing.
This is the royal family. This is the royal family of great.
Director General, National Council of Arts Commission, Otumba Olusegun Runshewe. He can't talk say they don't make history for Edo State as it be say all these people, they don't show say Naija get reason to waka far. He can't talk say them go celebrate the three people.
I'm going to celebrate these three Nigerians. Beyond what they ever thought of. I will start with the young man. This young man is flying to Abuja to be the official programmer of INA. This young man is going to take the photograph of all the ambassadors coming to INA. And the power is going to me is going to be the official programmer for NAFEST. So, we don't celebrate our best. We don't celebrate what we have, others we call ours massive. This young man will be known all over the world from today. Let's go. You have touched the lion state. We are going to produce a play to be called Life is a Dance. I'm happy she was living in Lagos. A lady started it, I saw it, and we are going to work as a co-producer. We are going to take this play all over the world. When you want to prepare your mind, you're on your way to Tokyo. For the sports festival going on, SAC is ready to. For the sports festival, we must take a team with us. Because we don't celebrate this country, that's why we have that. So, be ready to join professionals introduce this today, and we're going to take it forward. So that's the first assignment for you. Mama, you are going to be the official Akara Fire for this program. From tomorrow, we are no more buying snacks. No snacks. Go out of the fridge. From tomorrow for Friday, Mama will be frying Akara with bread. If Mama can send children to school with Akara, we must encourage her to send them to the masters.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today. Until the many activities wey dey for NAFEST Edo 2019, the National Art Festival, the one with the shele for Benin City, Edo State. Them don do the stakeholders roundtable section where them take talk on top how creative industry go take tanda better job opportunities for Nigeria. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na in the yarn am dey come give una on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and clear informate on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.